Assalamu alaikum ji. My name is Salman and I belong to Pindi, and my wife.
My name is Madiha Mumtaz, and of course I also belong to Pindi. We have been trying and looking for a Hajj operator to have this journey, and actively we have been researching for about past 3 years. And we got to know about Universal Brothers through our friends in Karachi, and we were fortunate enough to contact Mr. Abrar, and he guided us about the different packages back in August. And we found out that Universal Brothers is the only Hajj operators who were that early in their time frame, and very they had planned their all of these packages well in time. All the other Hajj operators were giving us time after January, and because my husband's job is such that we had to plan in it in advance. We didn't want to wait that much, and it turned out to be brilliant for us, and we are very happy to be here.
यूनिवर्सल ब्रदर्स ने जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की है उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द डिटेल्स इन फैक्ट व्हिच हैव बीन इनकॉर्पोरेटेड. दे हैव नॉट looked a particular aspect in more detail and left the other one behind. उन्होंने religious aspect को, rituals जो हमने perform करने हैं उसके aspect को, management aspect को, the way the people have catered for us, more than a travel agent or a travel company which is trying to augment a journey, they're part of the journey, which is something very unique. And you don't find such things. जहाँ हम रह रहे हैं वो खुद रह रहे हैं, जहाँ मेरी बेगम हमारी फैमिली खा रही है वो लोग भी वहीं से खा रहे हैं, वहीं पर बैठे हैं. रिलीजियसली हर नमाज के बाद दर्स देना, लोगों को गाइड करना, और इन डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस गाइड करना. उर्दू के लिए भी हैं, इंग्लिश के लिए भी हैं. एंड द वे दे आर टेकिंग अस अलोंग स्टेप बाय स्टेप इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी यूनिक. और आई बिलीव दैट दिस गोज़ मच बियॉन्ड what we had signed up for, और शायद इसका सिला इनको सिर्फ खुदा की ज़ात के अलावा कोई और नहीं दे सकता.
The interesting thing is that we never visited anybody in the office because we live so far away, and it was not possible for us to go and actually see and meet people. And everything was done online, through phone, through messages, and all the answers were prompt. All the things that were communicated to us, it was so easy for us to have this confidence in them that whether we see them or we don't see them, we are good to go. In fact, I think the CEO came once to Islamabad, but we were not available there, and we still went ahead with it. And I'm very, very happy that alhamdulillah we did, and I think it is more than what we expected, because we've been here in Saudi Arabia for Umrah journey for about 4 times, but Azizia we've never been to, and we had less expectations, to be honest, but you have outdone yourselves. It is comparable to any 5-star, but the service that you give to us is more personalized, and we feel that we are in home. We talk to each other and we say it feels like there is a wedding going on and there is a function, and we are enjoying ourselves living amongst people, and it has been wonderful.